Guys, welcome to my channel. So I'm gonna be working on this laundry room for my next project, and as you can see, it needs a makeover for sure. This doesn't motivate me to do anything in this laundry room the way it looks, and we kind of like put everything in here that like it needs a place to be for upstairs. And yeah, everything just ends up in here, so I need to organize it, make it look better, because it's just a hot mess really. But yeah, that's what I'll be working on. I'm about to take the shelf down and then fill in the holes. This is what we're left with. These are big old ugly holes. So what I'm gonna have to do is put some putty in it and close it up and let that dry, and then move it on to the next step. But this is how it looks. Hey guys, so it's the next day, and I'm about to start putting up the wallpaper. I didn't do much yesterday only because it was kind of late in the day and I just wanted to at least start the project. So I just took down the shelf and I put putty in the holes, and now I'm ready to do the wallpaper. The wallpaper, what I'm going to be using is this wallpaper, this cute wallpaper. I love it already. I got it off of Etsy. You either have to have it going this way or you can turn it around the other way. I got this adhesive spray. Is spray adhesive, Gorilla, heavy duty, multi-purpose. So yeah, I heard this was good if you have textured walls. So I'm gonna spray it on the walls, and I'm gonna spray it on the back of the wallpaper. I also picked up this tool from Lowe's. It's just a utility knife and a smoother for the wallpaper. Fingers crossed that this goes smooth, because every time I have one of my projects, it's always something that goes wrong. So I'm just hoping that everything just works out exactly how I want it to work out, which is everything goes perfectly. But anyways, regardless, it's gonna get done and it's gonna look cute. So yeah. Finally done. Finally, it took way too long. Like, you still see the ends from the top coming through. Like, it's not lining up perfectly. It bothers me a little bit that it's not lining up perfectly, but what am I gonna do? It's up there now. So yeah, it was a hassle though to do, but this is it. So I picked up this wood stain. It's called Mission Oak. I got it from Lowe's, and I'm just using a paintbrush, a little small paintbrush, and I'm gonna paint over it first. This is like day 4 of this project. After you guys saw in the clip where I stained the wood, I just left it down there in the garage and let it just dry and do whatever. And I was just up here concentrating on painting the laundry room, which wasn't in my plan to do, but because of the way the wallpaper looked with the off-white color of the walls in the laundry room, I was just like, okay, I didn't like it, so I needed to paint, and it looks a lot better that fast. And this is how the wood ended up looking. I do have to go over the sides again because I don't think it's stained very good. I still like it's lighter than the other side of the wood. And this is how the other piece look. And I don't care about it being perfect. I mean, it is in the laundry room. Like, we're going in there to do laundry, but nobody's really going to be seeing it. Like, who else is going to do my laundry but me? So it's no big deal if they're not like perfect looking. It's a little bit of imperfections in it, but I'm not tripping over that. I didn't address the hole. The hole is for the holes of the dryer to go through it, so we didn't have to like cut the shelf or anything like that. So yeah, that's where we at. The laundry room is painted, brackets are up. We're just waiting on these shelves to go in there, and then after that I can decorate. So This is an overview of the laundry room now. This is how it looks. You guys didn't see this because I added it after I thought I was done with the laundry room, and I wasn't like content with how it looked. I'm like, it's missing something else. So I added more decor. I had to wait for about 2 weeks till I got everything that I needed, because the shelves were like bare. It was barely stuff up there. So I waited and got more decor. Put these in, stained it. We put a little what is it? I guess you can call it like a support beam or a stud right there, and it's like we didn't nail it down. It's just like resting on it so you could lift it up. I didn't want to nail it down in case we needed to move it or get behind the washer and dryer, and it would be a hassle because it's not like a lot of space in here. But yeah, and I also wanted this so I could, like, you know, fold my laundry and stuff on it. I thought it would be super convenient because sometimes I'll get my laundry out and just leave it in the baskets for like however long. But yeah, so this is how it looks. I'm so happy with it. It turned out great, in my opinion. I mean, I don't like this little thing, but it's okay. And then I got this little cart. You can pull it out and have all your stuff in it so it won't be just like in the way. So push that back there. Oops. And then behind the door, I put up this little whatever this thing is called. It holds all your cleaning stuff, like your vacuum. You could put in there if it could fit, broom, Swiffer, all of that stuff. So yeah, this is the laundry room, and I am really excited about it. It turned out like better than I expected, honestly. This is how the laundry room looks. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I enjoyed making the shelves and decorating it and everything. So yeah, see you in my next video.